As a global leader in the manufacturing of aggregate and material handling equipment, Superior Industries provides the essential backbone for the world's transportation, mining, and utility sectors. To house their next generation of crushing technology, Superior required a facility that matched their global impact, trusting the combined expertise of Piotter Construction and CECO Building Systems. Located at their Morris, Minnesota headquarters, this massive 140 by 200 foot facility marks a new era in manufacturing. Standing nearly 4 stories high, the plant enables Superior to quadruple its crushing production. Adjoining the main facility is a dedicated 45 by 50 foot, 3-story office tower, which places engineering and support teams directly alongside the manufacturing floor. This strategic layout ensures seamless collaboration and it keeps technical expertise at the heart of the action.
So we needed a facility that could handle very large and very heavy products. So we do different types of crushers. There's a jaw crusher, there's 3 different models of cone crusher, and then a wide range of sizes within those different products. So we needed to be able to be very flexible.
Building a facility capable of housing Superior Industries' entire crushing lifecycle, from high-precision manufacturing to rigorous calibration, left absolutely no room for error. The vision required more than just 4 walls and a roof. It demanded a fundamental shift in perspective. Superior Industries reimagined the project by designing the architecture around the process itself. To turn this concept into a reality, Piotter Construction tapped into their relationship with CECO, bringing in District Sales Manager Steve Schuck and Regional Sales Manager Brent Schrader. It was the perfect culmination of a relationship built on decades of trust.
We had worked with different contractors in different regions of the U.S. and also a contractor who we had known for 30+ years. George had done some projects for our sister company, was well known in the area, and the history and the work that George and Piotter Construction had done had always delivered on time and at a quality that we had wanted, and we found that with this project. We were not disappointed.
When you combine CECO Building Systems' precision, Superior Industries' vision, and Piotter Construction's grit, you get more than a building. You get a masterclass in efficiency. This project evolved from a pre-designed sketch into a precision-engineered reality. The Piotter Construction team, alongside their earthwork and concrete partners, anchored the facility with a massive stepped foundation. This system supports 38-foot walls while concealing a custom downdraft air shaft beneath the floor. The centerpiece is a specialized testing floor, built from the ground up by Superior Industries. At its heart lies a monolith, a 30 by 32-foot concrete block, poured 4.5 feet thick. To ensure absolute accuracy, Superior's engineers used a custom jig to align 50 massive anchor bolts, allowing the floor to accommodate any crusher in their lineup. This foundation doesn't just provide support, it kills vibration. By creating a dead-still environment, it allows for the precise calibration and battle testing of every machine before it ever leaves the factory.
We actually fabricated it in our metalworking bay in our shop, and then we welded it and brought it over and used a crane and dropped it right in place. Really neat example of the internal teamwork between our company and our engineering, our fabrication division.
Building from this solid foundation, precision meets American-made strength. By integrating lean-to and multi-span framing systems, this custom CECO design pushes the possibilities of modern steel. As the first columns were hoisted into place, the facility's true scale finally took shape, moving from paper to a towering reality. In a choreographed effort, crews meticulously knit together the skeleton of the walls and the massive roof, covering over 30,000 square feet of industrial innovation. Finished with 26-gauge PBR on the walls and 24-gauge double-lock standing seam panels on the roof, the crusher plant is now the operational heartbeat of the Superior Industries campus, a permanent fixture on the skyline and a landmark for the local community. But it's more than just a manufacturing hub. This new space has to meet the diverse and flexible needs in all facets of manufacturing. inventory, assembly, testing, shipping, and office space to support the men and women transforming raw concepts into reality. Every square foot is engineered to empower the workforce and streamline the manufacturing lifecycle. To maximize efficiency, nearly 40% of the facility is dedicated to a climate-controlled, high-density storage zone. This very narrow aisle system uses specialized articulated forklifts to manage inventory stacked 3 stories high, keeping critical components just feet from the main assembly floor.
George brought some solutions to the table that were really unique. The ability to incorporate some holes and some fabrication work into the building structure that allowed conduits, plumbing, those types of things to be like prefabricated into the building, which saved us a ton of time on the electrical and plumbing side of the contracting. And being able to incorporate the large and heavy overhead crane design into the building structure itself.
Integrated directly onto the vertical steel beams, the horizontal track system supports a 50-ton double girder bridge crane and 3 single bridge units. Together, they perform the robust gymnastics required to move these substantial machines throughout the manufacturing floor, seamlessly transitioning them from assembly to painting to testing to delivery. This design eliminates the need for additional infrastructure, saving valuable internal space, time, and money. Ultimately, success is only realized through the people who design, manage, deliver, and support Superior Industries' line of crushing equipment. Their custom-designed office tower, built with metal bar joists with concrete floors, complete with a storm shelter for employee safety, is connected directly to the manufacturing facility, keeping essential support just steps away. The partnership between Piotter Construction and CECO ensured that a major mid-project change became a seamless success. When Superior Industries decided to pivot the office tower from a 2-story design to a 3-story concept, the 2 teams collaborated closely to integrate the new requirements into a separate construction phase. This proactive coordination allowed them to deliver the expanded office on schedule without delaying work on the primary manufacturing plant. By working as a unified team, Piotter and CECO turned a potential setback into an efficient solution that met the client's evolving needs.
George and his crew, his team were like right there working with the guys, so it made for a really good experience. Everybody worked well together, and that's what it takes to create the great end result that we ended up with.
Standing as a testament to meticulous engineering and unrelenting grit and ingenuity of many contractors and tradespeople, Superior Industries' new crusher facility is fully operational, delivered on time and on budget. The project, which required thousands of man-hours to design and execute, provides more than just immediate utility. It offers a scalable foundation designed to evolve alongside the company's ambitions.
We would be able to maybe triple the size of the facility at some time in the future. So it feels like we really, set up for, a long runway of future growth with this project. And it's pretty exciting to show it off. We bring customers in and show them what we do here, and the building represents our company and our brand very well.